this video, I decide to do another scissor over comb haircut. So I really enjoy doing scissor over comb just as much as I enjoy using clippers. So it just depends on what kind of mood I'm in. Sometimes I pick up the clippers, sometimes I just pick up the scissors and the comb and bust out scissor over comb. And today is one of those times that I busted out scissor over comb. So I hope you guys like this video. If you have any questions, please don't forget to put them down in the comment section below. I'd love to answer them for you. And please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more great content. And I want to thank you guys so very much again for watching.
Okay, so here is the before, and here is me diving into the haircut. I am starting off this haircut by cutting the upper half of the sides and back through my fingers. So as you can see, I'm cutting the right side right now, and then I will cut the left side of the upper half of the sides and back. Alright, so here I am now getting into the scissor over comb. You can see I am starting off the scissor over comb on the right side of the head. Now, I personally always start my scissor over comb on the right side of the head, and I work my way around to the left side. Now, if you are left-handed, you may want to try and scissor over comb on the left side, working your way around to the right side. I find being a right-handed individual holding the scissors in my right hand, it flows a lot easier when I start my scissor over comb on the right side of the head, working my way all the way around to the left side of the head. Alright, so now I am simply just taking my trimmers and I'm going to work my way all the way around the head. Again, I like to start on the right side of the head and work my way around to the left side of the head. so now I'm just combing the hair straight down and forward to establish a length in my model's bangs, at which I will layer later in the haircut. Alright, so now it is time to cut the top of my model's hair, and as you can see, I am cutting my model's hair up on top in a nice square shape. Alright, so now it is time to go through and layer up the bangs like I had mentioned before. So as you can see, I'm just simply cutting off that corner that you create when you pull the hair straight down and cut that outline in the bangs, so that it'll lighten up the bangs and make it so that he can dress his hair with a chunky effect. Now, I'm just basically going through and also removing the corner that was created. When you cut the top square and the side square, you now have a corner. So I'm just going through and removing that corner just so the shape has a nice, better flow to it. Now, I'm doing the twist technique. As you can see, I'm simply just taking chunks of hair, twisting it, and taking my scissors and slowly closing the blade. Not all the way, but enough to remove a bulk of the hair so that it creates a nice, fun texture up on top. Alright, so we've come to the end of this haircut. I am now just dressing the hair with a little bit of pomade. As you can see, I'm creating a chunky effect up on top, kind of a messy effect, at which point my model can dress his hair with some texture up on top. If he chooses to, he can brush it over and smooth out the hair with no texture. It just gives him that versatility to change his style from day to day. Alright, well, I hope you guys liked this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to put them down in the comment section below. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more great videos, and thank you so very much for watching.